Cole, we're going to look at this scillifolia, Crinum jaga scillifolia. Honestly, I don't know what the true name of it is. I've looked, and some people say it's jaga scillifolia, and some people say it's scillifolia as a species. I don't know. So we're just really happy with the plant because it's a cute little dwarf crinum.
They will get bigger through the summer. Eventually, the greenery will be about here and the flowers will be about here. So we're just trying to see how big the bulbs are right now. That's not bad.
Yeah, that's awesome.
They're not going to get much bigger than that.
People always say to me, hey, crinums are so big and floppy, they're going to flop all over my plants and kill them. But there are a lot of tiny crinums. That's a weird one, but it's got some babies on it, so we'll split it up. How about try that one right there by your right hand. So see, he just pulled those off. We're gonna see how big this bulb is. They're perfect for pots, especially if you're in a cold zone, you'd wanna grow this in a pot. And they're great for a little walkway, like they're gonna flower and look something like this. Hey, can one of y'all do something for me?
Sure.
I need a scale on that little crinum right there. Could you just put your leg in there or
like that?
Squat beside it or something?
This big.
Yeah, knee high. All right, cool, thank you. That one is really rare. Hey, Cole, do I look bald?
No.
Hey, so if you don't want this scillifolia because it is, it's a little bit tender, so probably Charlotte. I'm not sure exactly.
I wouldn't go further than that.
Yeah. What would you plant instead?
Morii alba,
Yeah.
which is it's a white. It takes a little bit more shade than others.
But it's totally worth it to grow it in a pot because it smells so beautiful. It's like vanilla. It's like a candle or something you get Bed Bath & Beyond. It smells like cookies baking.